Welcome back to Coffee and Coverage. I'm your host, Nicole, and today we are being joined by Marantz, who is one of our benefit consultants here at Pinnacle. Hi, Marantz.
Hello.
Today we are going to be talking about the family glitch. Are you excited?
Super.
All right. Okay, so what is the family glitch?
Oh, the family glitch. So previous to January 1 of 2023, if you or your spouse were offered insurance from your job, you weren't able to go on the marketplace and get subsidized, essentially. So you were all on your plan at work. And it can be very expensive. So as of January 1 of 2023, now if you're offered health insurance from your job and your other spouse isn't, your other spouse and or children can now go on the marketplace and get subsidized. So you're not paying that full out-of-pocket premium essentially for your spouse and children on your work plan.
So just to clarify, if you have coverage through your job, you can keep the coverage through your job.
Correct.
But the rest of the family can now also get subsidized if you qualify.
If you qualify,
right.
Deemed unaffordable based on, all those factors of household size, age, income,
and then also the cost of the group coverage for everybody, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So just a new element to all of it, because before we couldn't do that if anyone was offered coverage through a group.
Correct.
Okay.
Yep.
So how does this affect the employer-sponsored health plans? Does this have an effect on their plans then?
It could.
Okay.
As far as, if you're taking off your spouse and or children from that group plan.
Okay.
As far as for the employer, any of their utilization, doctoring, stuff like that, that's not going towards your accumulations and affecting maybe your premium and the renewal to come. So your rates hopefully could be kept down.
So it actually could be a positive effect to the group plan by not having as many people on there that are using it.
Yep.
Right?
Yep.
Okay. Would there be any sort of negative impact to a group policy that you can think of necessarily by taking people off or by subsidizing part of the family and not using?
No,
not really?
No.
Okay. There's not a negative side. Okay. Mm-hmm. Can you provide an example of how this would work for someone? So maybe have you dealt with someone in particular that you've seen work really well or?
Yeah, so one instance was, he was offered insurance from his job to put his spouse and 2 children on there. It was going to be about $1,300 a month.
Okay.
So they have a household income of about $70,000.
Okay.
So we put his spouse and the 2 children on the marketplace. They're able to get subsidized, get a very good plan.
Okay.
Because the one at work, it was a very high deductible.
Like a high deductible. Okay.
So it was even better for them to be on their own. And now they're paying a monthly premium of about, $130 versus, almost $1,300 on the work plan. So
awesome. So that's a great savings for a family, right?
That's
huge.
That's
awesome. Okay. Anything else that you can think of that you'd like to add to, the benefits of the family glitch or the things that you've been seeing?
Just like talking about those numbers, $130 a month for a plan of your choice versus $1,300 for a family with an income of $70,000. That could be life-changing.
Right. That's big money. So very nice. Awesome. Well, thank you so much, Marantz, for joining us today. And remember, you guys, coffee is optional and coverage is not. See you next time.